This lesson explains what a mutual fund is, what you own when you buy units, how net asset value works, and why busy retail investors use funds without pretending risk disappears. It matters because fund jargon can hide a simple ownership idea. By the end, you will read pool, AMC, NAV, and diversification as investor education tools, not as a tip to buy any scheme. This is education, not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any fund. Keep 5 pegs on the board. Money pools from many investors. An asset management company manages the scheme under a mandate with trustee oversight. Net asset value is per unit bookkeeping. Diversification cuts single stock drama, but not market risk. And retail investors use funds for process plus SIPs when they will not analyze every stock. A mutual fund pools money from many investors to buy a portfolio of securities under a stated mandate. The mandate is the scheme's shopping list, what it may hold, not a promise of return. Watch cash from different people become one shared portfolio card. In the usual retail mutual fund path, you own units of the fund, not each stock certificate directly. A unit is an equal slice of the whole pooled portfolio. Money pools in, units come back to you as your claim on that pool. An asset management company, or AMC, manages the scheme under regulations and its stated mandate. Trustees oversee that management inside the Securities and Exchange Board of India Mutual Fund Framework. Retail takeaway. You hire professional management inside a regulated product wrapper, not a guarantee that net asset value will rise. Net asset value, or NAV, is the per unit value of the fund's net assets. You buy and sell units using NAV-based processes and cutoffs apply. NAV is accounting for that day's portfolio value. It is not a market tip and not a Securities and Exchange Board of India return promise. Compute net asset value when net assets are 100 rupees and 5 units are in issue, then say what that number means. Write the definition on the board. NAV equals net assets divided by units in issue. Divide 100 by 5 to get 20, so each unit is worth 20 rupees of net assets. Read the answer as bookkeeping for one equal slice, not as a tip that the fund is cheap or expensive. NAV equals 20 rupees per unit when net assets are 100 rupees across 5 units. The trap: reading the rupee NAV as a sale price tag instead of one equal slice of net assets. Reject the tip that a lower rupee NAV means a better deal. Remember, NAV is slice size from bookkeeping, not a sale price tag. A 20 rupee NAV and a 200 rupee NAV can both be fair slices of different portfolios or different unit counts. Compare mandate, costs, and returns. Ignore rupee NAV as a value signal. The tip is invalid. Lower NAV is not automatic cheapness. The trap: shopping for the lowest NAV the way you shop for a discounted shirt. A fund holds many securities, which reduces idiosyncratic single-stock drama versus one tip. In the same bad stretch, a tip stock can crater while a 50-stock fund takes a survivable dip. That contrast is the point of diversification, not a claim that funds cannot fall. Diversification is not the same as zero risk. Equity mutual funds still carry market risk. Broad market moves can push the whole fund down even when no single tip stock is to blame. Reading mutual fund equals safe forever is a misread. Funds offer professional management, diversification, and systematic investment plan convenience for investors who will not analyze every stock. Costs, category, and fit still need homework. A mutual fund is not a thought-free money machine. Pause and decide. A mutual fund unit primarily represents which of these? A share of the fund's portfolio, ownership of the AMC building, or a bank fixed deposit always? The answer is a share of the fund's portfolio. Units are equal slices of the pooled portfolio under the mandate, not ownership of the AMC office and not a fixed deposit guarantee. One more, equity mutual funds still carry which of these? Market risk, no risk of loss ever, or only treasury bill risk? The answer is market risk. Diversification reduces single stock drama. Broad market moves can still push the fund down. A mutual fund pools many investors into a mandated portfolio. You own units, and AMC manages the scheme with trustee oversight under the SEBI framework. And NAV is per unit bookkeeping, not a cheapness tip. Diversification cuts single stock drama, but market risk remains, and retail investors use funds for management, diversification, and SIP convenience while still doing homework on costs, category, and fit. Comment with the mutual fund step that still feels unclear. Subscribe for the next retail investing lesson, and practice this topic in the ExamMaster app.